Morning students. So today we are going to start our new topic, which is chemical properties of acids and bases. Okay, so today we have studied about what are bases, their properties, their types of bases on the basis of strength, and then what are alkalis we have also discussed. Okay, so today we will study about the chemical properties of acids and bases. Okay, so in that, first one is reaction of metals. Okay, so reaction with metals is the first one. First one is reaction with metals. So firstly we will study about the reaction of metals with acids. Okay, so we will study about the reaction of metals with acid. So first, in this first case is with acids, reacting metals with acid. Okay, so what happens when acid is reacted with metals, then salt formation takes place with the removal of hydrogen. Okay, with the removal of hydrogen gas. Okay, so I'm going to write it down. Acid plus metal gives us salt plus H2 gas, okay, which is hydrogen gas. So for example, I'm going to take one example and show you this. See, HCl plus zinc, Zn. Okay, so what is this? This is hydrochloric acid and it is reacted with zinc metal. So now the salt formation takes place and this one is ZnCl2 with the removal of H2 gas. Okay, now see, this equation is not balanced. Okay, see, here only one hydrogen is there and here two hydrogen are there. So we will balance this equation. So this will be 2 HCl and one Zn atom, one zinc atom, here also. So this equation is balanced now. Okay, so what is the main important point to remember? When acids are reacted with metal, or when acids react with metal, then with the removal of hydrogen gas, salt formation takes place. So what happens? See, when acid reacts with metal, then salt formation takes place with the removal of hydrogen gas. So we will write down the names of different things. Okay, different species also. This one is hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid. Zinc metal. This one is zinc chloride. Hydrogen gas. Okay, so how will we remember this? Simply you learn like this कि जब एसिड मेटल से रिएक्ट करता है तो क्या बनता है, सॉल्ट बनता है और हाइड्रोजन गैस इवॉल्व होती है. सो दिस जिंक क्लोराइड इज नथिंग बट सॉल्ट. Okay, so now we will study about the with bases. Okay, reaction of metals with second subcategory with bases. So with bases, so bases plus metal gives us salt with the evolution of हाइड्रोजन गैस. ओके, सेम थिंग इन दिस ऑल्सो. जब बेस मेटल के साथ में रिएक्ट करते हैं तो वो भी सॉल्ट फॉर्मेशन होता है और क्या, हाइड्रोजन गैस का एवोल्यूशन होता है. ओके, सो आई एम गोइंग टू टेक वन एग्जांपल. Again same metal, zinc. Okay, so this one is sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is a base which reacts with zinc metal. Then so sodium zincate is formed. Okay, so what is formed? Sodium zincate. and you all know what is this one is hydrogen gas. So you all will write it down in your copies, in your copy. Okay, so see, this equation is not balanced, I think so. Now it is balanced. Okay, so two atoms of sodium are there, two atoms of oxygen are also there, one atom of zinc, and two atoms of hydrogen. Okay, so now this one is balanced. So how will you learn this or revise this? When acid or base both of them reacts with metal, then salt formation takes place with the evolution of what? Hydrogen gas. Okay, जब बेस और एसिड्स मेटल के साथ में रिएक्ट करते हैं तो सॉल्ट फॉर्मेशन होता है और हाइड्रोजन गैस का एवोल्यूशन होता है. ओके, so you all, I hope you all have understood about this. So chemical properties, what is the first one? Reaction with metals. So first one is with acids. Acid reacts with metal to give what? Salt plus hydrogen gas. And similarly bases reacts with metal to give what? Salt plus hydrogen gas. Okay, and now we will study about the another reaction. Now second one is reaction with metal carbonates. Okay, reaction with metal carbonates. Okay, so reaction with metal carbonates. In this, firstly we will react acids with metal carbonate. Okay, so we will study what is the effect of reacting acids with metal carbonates. So I am going to write it down the reactions. So what it is? Acids reacts with metal carbonates to give us what? Salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. Okay, so acid reacts with metal carbonates to give us what? Salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. This one is carbon dioxide and water. Okay, in this also, see, one more thing is also there: metal carbonates and metal hydrogen carbonates. Hydrogen carbonates. ओके, सो मेटल कार्बोनेट्स के साथ में भी रिएक्शन हम लोग स्टडी करेंगे और मेटल हाइड्रोजन कार्बोनेट्स के साथ में भी रिएक्शन स्टडी करेंगे. ओके, सो नाउ व्हेन एसिड रिएक्ट्स विद metal hydrogen carbonate, same thing takes place, that is salt is formed with the removal of carbon dioxide and water. Okay, so when acids reacts with either metal carbonate or hydrogen carbonate, salt formation takes place with the removal of कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड वाटर. तो एसिड चाहे मेटल कार्बोनेट से रिएक्ट करे या फिर मेटल हाइड्रोजन कार्बोनेट से रिएक्ट करे, क्या फॉर्म होगा? सॉल्ट और किसके? विद द रिमूवल ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड वाटर. ओके, सो आई एम गोइंग टू टेक वन एग्जांपल. सी, so for acid we are taking HCl, and for metal carbonates I am taking Na2CO3. So this one is hydrochloric acid, you all know. This one is sodium carbonate, and it gives us what? NaCl, which is salt with the removal of CO2 and water. Okay, so HCl is hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid. This one is sodium carbonate. This one is sodium chloride. And you all know carbon dioxide and water. Okay, so this, I think this one is not balanced. See, now it is balanced. Okay, so Simple reaction. This one is acid. See, HCl is what? Acid. Metal carbonate, this one is metal carbonate. Okay, so metal carbonate is, sodium carbonate is what? Metal carbonate. And what is the formation took place? सॉल्ट फॉर्मेशन, सोडियम क्लोराइड बना, ये सॉल्ट है हमारा, और ये कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड और वाटर तो दोनों में सेम है ही. ओके, नाउ अनदर रिएक्शन इज ऑफ मेटल हाइड्रोजन कार्बोनेट. सो again NaCl is formed with the removal of carbon dioxide and water. Okay, so this one is sodium hydrogen carbonate. Sodium hydrogen carbonate. And this one is hydrochloric acid. I have already told you. Hydrochloric acid and sodium chloride is formed. Okay, with the removal of carbon dioxide and water. And one more thing, and tomorrow we'll study about the reaction of metal carbonates and hydrogen carbonates with bases. Okay, तो हम लोग कल किसकी स्टडी करेंगे? रिएक्शन ऑफ मेटल कार्बोनेट्स एंड हाइड्रोजन कार्बोनेट्स विद बेसिस. ओके, फर्स्टली ये है कि वो रिएक्ट ही नहीं करते हैं. बेसिस डज नॉट रिएक्ट विद मेटल कार्बोनेट और हाइड्रोजन कार्बोनेट से सिर्फ और सिर्फ एसिड्स रिएक्ट करते हैं, बेसिस रिएक्ट नहीं करते हैं. ओके, सो टुमारो विल स्टडी in detail about all other chemical properties. So hope you have understood about today's class. So what metals reacts with, see, metal carbonate, sodium carbonate, and this one is sodium hydrogen carbonate reacts with what? Acids to give us what? Salt, with the removal of carbon dioxide and water. So okay, that's it for today, and tomorrow we'll study in detail about other chemical properties. So till then, goodbye.